we're trying to capture some seagulls nose diving into the pool. We've got a rough spin in the corner. Alright, let's see if we can get some action here. It's just like fishing, you know, when you want them to come, they don't come. Fishing and women.
Fishing for women?
It's not what I said. Get your mind out of the gutter. Oh, they're not here. Let's get a scan of the view. The weird owl by the pool. Don't really know what he's doing there. That's an airplane, not a bird. Alright, we're gonna have to give him some more time. Oh, no. Yes! There we go, we got it. Here it comes.
Nice. Look at that line of my head.
Oh my god. It's mayhem over here. It's mayhem. It's the birds.
Gold Festo 9.
Hitchcock, eat your heart out. That was it. I think they're done. Maybe they'll be back for more. Think they're done?
Now here comes the pin. Aqua pin. Aqua pin. Aqua pin.
Oh. We got one more. Here we go.